how to make your Facebook account completely private on your phone. That's what I'm going to show you guys in this video. So let's get started right away, because this is actually not that hard, but you just have to go to the right place and then it is actually very easy. So all you have to do is go over to the menu and scroll a bit down till you see the settings and privacy. You want to click on that and then go to privacy shortcuts. Once you're here, you will see this privacy stuff and you want to click on the review a few important privacy settings. Now from then on out, what you want to do is just go over to all these 5 different topics, and you can just click on the first one. This is probably the most important one. You can click on continue, and then all you have to do is basically put everything on only me. So if you put everything on only me and then click on next, and then also put this on only me like that, and then unfortunately stories, you can only keep that on friends, and then if you go to click on next, then you can also block people if you want to. Well, then click on next again, and then click on review another topic. So you can go to how to keep your account secure, you can go continue, you can turn this all on, and stuff like that. This is more like as it says, how to secure your account. And then this one's also pretty important, how people can find you on Facebook. You want to click on that, and then also put this on friends of friends, phone number on only me, email address on only me. Next, do you want to search anything outside of Facebook link to your profile? Turn this off. Next, and then your data settings on Facebook. You can remove these if you want to, then deny that one, that's basically it. I think this is not that important. Then you can go back to see more privacy settings right here, and what you can do from then on out, I think most of this stuff is already set on only me, or everything is basically set on only me. So now you've basically put your whole account fully on private, and that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.